Welcome to Easy Coloring Drawing. Hello my dears, today I am drawing this beautiful fruits. Let's draw together. We need green color, orange color, crimson color, yellow color, red color, violet color. Let's start.
Woo!
First I am drawing an apple. Please subscribe.
Woo!
I am drawing delicious strawberries.
Woo!
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
I am drawing grapes.
Woo!
They look so yummy.
Woo!
Next time, won't you sing with me?
It's going to be so colorful after the painting.
Woo!
Now I am drawing bananas.
Woo!
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
It's a peach.
Woo!
Green color for leaves.
Woo!
Next time, won't you sing with me?
Red color.
Woo!
Brown color.
Woo!
Crimson color.
Woo!
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yellow color.
Woo!
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Orange color.
Woo!
Violet color.
Woo!
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
They are so beautiful.
Woo!
Fruits are healthy. Do you like to eat them? I like to eat so much. Please subscribe. See you on next video.